Hey, what's up YouTube? This is Youthman. In this video, we'll be doing an unboxing and a brief overview of Klipsch's brand new Reference Premier RP-6000F floor standing speaker. Now before we get into the video, if you're into home theater audio and video, hit that subscribe button and don't forget to hit that bell notification so that you'll be notified when the next video drops. Alright guys, before we get into the unboxing and the overview, I just want to give a big thanks to Klipsch for sponsoring this series of videos on their new Reference Premier system. Now enough talking, let's get to unboxing. Alright guys, well normally what I do when I do an unboxing of towers is I'll unbox from the top, flip the speaker over, pull the box off of it, then flip the speaker back over. Honestly, just because I'm OCD and I like to unbox the top versus the bottom, but we're going to try something a little bit different. So we're going to take this speaker, I'll lay it on its side here. I'm actually going to cut the bottom, and then that way we don't have to flip the speaker back over. So I'd still rather open it up the other way, but that's okay. We're going to give this a shot. Cool. So then what we're going to do is just kind of lift up, fold the bottom under. And I always recommend grabbing the bottom just to keep it from sliding out. And we just lift the box straight up. Just like that. Lay that off to the side. Now here's another reason why I typically do it the other way, is because our instruction manual is all the way in the bottom, but with speakers we don't really need an instruction manual. We're going to leave it in there. But just know if you want the instruction manual and the warranty card, it's inside the box on the top. Slide these bottom pieces off. Set those off to the side. So you got some protection cloth up here. You got one here on the speaker grill. Leave it back. Alright. Now these are the baby brothers to the RP-8000F floor standing speakers or the RP-8060FA floor standing speakers with the Dolby Atmos built into the top of them. So these are the smaller versions. We'll talk about the specs and the size of the drivers in just a moment. So let's go ahead and get this one unboxed. We'll jump into it. We'll set this off to the side. Give us a little bit more room. And we're going to do the same thing here. Same thing once again, we'll just fold the flaps under. Grab the bottom to keep it from sliding out. We're going to lift this box right off the top. So one thing you can see, Klipsch added these little corner pieces here. That helps protect the speaker during transit. So that's definitely always a good idea. So lay these back in here. So here's that manual. This one was placed on the bottom. Unless it was packed. Interesting, I think this one was packed upside down. So anyway, so we get to see the owner's manual there, as well as some other paperwork. Toss that in there. Just lean it back, pull these pieces off here. Toss those in. We'll just lean it back. Alright. The grill's back on. Box is out of the way. Alright, let's go ahead and move these over to the center. And let's take a closer look. Okay, so if we take a look at the front of the speaker, up at the very top we have a 1-inch titanium LTS vented tweeter with a Tractrix horn. Below that we have dual 6.5-inch cerometallic woofers. The RP-6000F has a frequency response of 34 Hz up to 25 kHz, a sensitivity of 97 decibels. It can handle 125 watts continuous up to 500 watts peak. If we look on the back side of the speaker, we've got a bass reflex rear firing Tractrix port. Below that we have dual binding posts, which allows you to bi-wire or bi-amp the speakers. The RP-6000F measures 39.62 inches high by 9.35 inches wide and 17.02 inches deep and weighs 49 pounds. The RP-6000F retails for $499 each. You can get the RP-6000 in 3 available finishes. They come in ebony, walnut, as well as piano black. Alright, so there you have the unboxing and a quick overview of Klipsch's brand new Reference Premier RP-6000F floor standing speaker. Now if you're interested in more information or you'd like to purchase it, I'll post a link to it down in the description below. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up. If you're new to the channel, be sure to subscribe because I produce weekly videos on home theater, audio, and video. Well guys, I'm going to wrap up the video here. You guys be blessed, and we'll catch you in the next video.